boss babes and bosses out there. So in this video, I'm going to share with you what is market research, why is it important, and of course, how to do a market research. If you want to learn more, just keep on watching. But before I'm going to teach you on how to do it, I would like to talk first, what is market research? So as usual, hindi ako magbibigay ng technical definition. You can Google that. So basically, market research is just gathering information about your target market or target audience or maybe target buyers, target customers. Yung titignan mo lang yung ano yung persona nila, ano yung demographics nila. So ayun, dito mo madidetermine kung gaano ba ka-viable or gaano ka-successful ang ila-launch mo na product or na service. So makikita mo kasi dito kung kailangan ba talaga yung service or product mo. Ma-afford ba nila? Kasi titingnan mo din kung ano yung work nila, ano yung range ng salary ng target market mo. Dito mo makikita kung ano yung kailangan talaga nila, ano yung mas pwede mong i-improve sa service package mo, makikilala mo talaga yung target market mo. The more you know them, the more you can give more meaningful products. Meaningful products, I mean useful products, and mas better service pa. So, the question now, why is it important? Bakit ba talaga na kailangan pa talagang mag-market research? So, as what I have said kanina, na malalaman mo yung demographics nila if you are going to do a market research. Of course, when we say demographics, it includes their age, their marital status, their income status, their employment, their education, ethnicity, and the likes. Meaning, you will know their jobs and salary range, if makaka-afford ba sila sa ibibenta mo na products or service. But not just that, because through market research, you can determine what are the problems that they are mostly facing. So, ano yung mga problema na pwede kang makahelp sa kanila, malalaman mo yan. But hindi lang yun, kasi malalaman mo dito kung ano yung mostly problems na fini-face ng target market mo. That's a good thing kasi meaning if there's a problem, there's also a solution and you are the one that can provide that. And that's a good thing because there's a problem, there's a business. No, joke lang. To be honest, once may problem sila, the good business can solve other people's problem. Always think how you can help them because the more you are solving their problem, the more na i-avail nila yung product mo or i-avail nila yung service mo. So now the question is how to do it way. So there are a lot of ways in how you can do a market research, but for us freelancers, one thing na very common na pwede nating gawin and very easy na pwede nating gawin is to join Facebook groups na nandun yung mga target clients natin, ideal clients natin, or ideal customers natin. So after you join a group, make sure that you read the rules and regulations of that group. Kasi we don't want to violate the rules. If you are not allowed to do a market research inside the group, then please don't post anything there. And please be active and also answering other questions there. Kung meron silang mga tanong, please be active. Yung mga genuine yung answer talaga, hindi yung parang for the sake of answering lang. And then, please be respectful sa group na sasalihan nyo. And I will provide sample questions na pwede nyong i-post para sa market research nyo. So, therefore, by knowing more about the target market, target buyer, target client, target customer that you want, you can easily create a client avatar for your business. So if you still don't know what is a client avatar, I already have a video for that. Please check this if you have time. I hope this video helps you on how to do your own market research. You can apply this to your own business or maybe sa client mo the business. So yeah, if this video helps you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button down below and comment below kung ano yung gusto niyo pang i-share ko when it comes to freelancing or social media management. So yeah, before I'm going to end this video, I would like to flex the works of my boss babes and bosses inside my group. Check this out! So if you want to join our Facebook group, just research I'm Ready to Boss Up by Britx, and don't forget to like our Facebook page and follow us on our Instagram accounts at Britx and at BossUpPH. So yeah, hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye!